Hello everyone, welcome to this tutorial. Today I am going to show you how to create collection on Shopify. The ultimate goal when you're setting up your store is to create a easy, smooth and user-friendly experience for your customer. One of the main things that can help you achieve this is organizing your product into collections. This helps guide your customers to find exactly what they are looking for. So the key task today is to decide how to categorize your products. Let's get started. I will be creating a skateboard apparel as an example. Later on, you can also create more collections if needed. To get started, from your Shopify dashboard, click on Products and select Collections from the submenu. Now click Create Collection. First, set your title. My example will be Skateboard Apparel. If you want, you can also create a description, but it's not 100% necessary as this will mostly be a visual display. Next, choose your collection type, automated or manual. I will show you both methods, but I will start with automated collections first. In an automated collection, you need to create conditions and based on these conditions, your existing and future product will be automatically added to this specific collection. Here how it works. Under the condition, you need to choose between all conditions or any conditions. If you have only one condition, it doesn't matter which one you select. However, if you have multiple conditions, you need to choose wisely. Let me explain further. Suppose you have three conditions. If you select any condition, the product will be added to the collection if it meets at least one of the three conditions. On the other hand, if you select all conditions, the product must meet all three conditions to be added to the collection. You will need to create conditions based on various variables such as product title, product type, vendor, price tag and so on. For this tutorial, I will use the condition where the product type is equal to snowboard. This means that if product is of the type snowboard, it will automatically be added to the collection. If you want to add more conditions, you can click on add another condition and create additional rules in the same way. In manual collection, you will be selecting your product one by one. To keep things simple, we will go with manual for now. Next, you will want to edit your search engine. This is how people will preview your web page or platform like Google or Bing. Make sure to include your brand name, page information and any relevant keywords that can help you rank higher. Choose a collection image. This is how your customer will recognize your collection and preview it. So choose something that truly represents the product that are in it. Once you are done, click Save and go back to your collections. As you can see, there are still 0 product in this collection. If you haven't added any product to your store yet, I am also going to drop a link to another video to help you do that first. Once you have a few products in your store, head over to a product page and select what you want to add to your new collection. Click Add Collection and select the one you have just created. Click Save and you are good to go. If you click one of these products, you can also view the collection that it's in down here on the right. If you want, you can also easily add more or remove any collection right here from the section. Now I am going to show you how you can display your collection on your storefront. Go to Online Store, down here on the left, make sure that you are in Theme section, then click Customize. Your theme editor should be open like this. Scroll down, click Add section and select Collection List. Select this box and choose Select Collection and your new collection from the options. Click Select and Save. Once you have more collection ready to be added, you can continue to design the layout. Set your heading, its size, your image ratio, how many collections you want to show, and finally the background color for the section. If you happen to have more collection than showing here, you can also check this box and a view all button will appear so customers can find a page where all your collections are listed. When you are done, hit save and refresh your website. Yeah, that's it. That's all for today. If this video was helpful to you, make sure to give it a thumbs up. If you got any other questions, feel free to leave them down in the comments. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.